Hello, I'm Rob Jody. I'm a professional music producer from Cologne, Germany. In this video I'm gonna show you an easy way how you can come up with a great melody every time you start a new project. Step 1. Choose reference tracks. At first, you choose one or two reference tracks in the genre and subgenre you want your track to be in. By doing this, you already make a preliminary decision about the specific vibe or mood you want your track and your melody to be in. Step 2. Make initial choices for tempo and key. At this point, you make a preliminary decision about BPM and key. Both play a crucial role in the overall feel of your track. Step 3. Write a simple bass line. Choose a simple piano preset. Open the piano roll. If your DAW like Ableton Live or FL Studio supports the key mode, you can use it. This will help you stay in the chosen key while composing your melody, ensuring harmony and coherence within your production, and create a basic bass line that complements the genre and vibe you've chosen. The bass line will serve as the foundation for your melody. Step 4. Add triads. Add simple triads based on the notes of your bass line. Triads form the basis of your chords and harmonies, supporting and enhancing your melody. Step 5. Make chords more interesting. Experiment with various techniques such as inversions, octaves, and rhythmic patterns to add depth and interest to your chords. Consider using transition notes to achieve smooth chord progressions. Step 6. Write the rhythm of the melody. Just use the key note and craft a preliminary rhythm for your melody that complements the underlying chord progression and aligns with the track's tempo. A well-structured melody rhythm can make it catchy and memorable. Step 7. Choose notes for melody. Now select the notes for your melody that harmonize with the chosen key and complement the chords. Start with simple note patterns and gradually introduce variations and embellishments to add depth and interest to your melody. Step 8. Make melody more interesting. Now it's time to make the melody even more interesting and more human. Therefore you can experiment with techniques such as pitch bends, slides, vibrato and other articulations to add emotion and character to your melody. Step 9. Write a counter melody. Depending on the style of the track and genre, you can consider adding a counter melody that harmonizes or complements the main melody. After following the steps, you should have a first picture of the final track in your mind. With some experience and training, you can now almost hear the final result in your head, although at this point you only have a piano playing. With some experience, you can now say if it's a good one or not so good one. And you can now decide if you want to go on and finish the track or maybe not. I hope you liked this video. Give my channel a follow for more videos about modern music production. Keep on producing and always have fun.